Hello students, similarity video number 14. In previous video, we have learned the taste of similarity. First one, angle taste. Second one, angle taste. Third one, side taste. And now the fourth taste is side taste for similarity of triangles. Now here, first we will see the figure. In triangle PQR and triangle XYZ. In these two triangles is for the correspondence PQR corresponds to XYZ. We will consider PQ upon XY. PQ upon XY is equals to PQ is 3, XY is 4. So 3 upon 4, result number 1. QR upon YZ, ratio of corresponding sides. QR is 4.5, YZ is 6. So QR upon YZ is equals to 4.5 upon 6. Multiplying numerator and denominator by 10, we get 45 upon 60, and that gives us 3 upon 4, result number 2. Then is PR upon XZ. PR upon XZ, ratio of corresponding sides. PR is 6, XZ is 8, and reduced 6 upon 8, reduced form is 3 upon 4, result number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, we have PQ upon XY is equals to QR upon YZ is equals to PR upon XZ is equals to 3 upon 4. So this means for given correspondence PQR corresponds to XYZ, corresponding sides of two triangles are in the same proportion. If it is so, then triangle PQR similar to triangle XYZ. And this is what? Side test for similarity. So now we'll go to the definition. Pay attention. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, correspondence is given, vertices are given. Then what? When three sides of one triangle are in proportion to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar by side test. So given two triangles, for the given correspondence, if the corresponding sides are in proportion, then the two triangles are similar by which test? Side test. So get it understood, the test of similarity, side test. Now we will move to properties of similar triangles. Is number 1, reflexivity. Is what is the property? Triangle ABC similar to triangle ABC. It means is every triangle is similar to itself. Second property, symmetry, is if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Means first triangle is similar to second then second triangle is similar to first one. This is symmetry. Okay, then third one, transitivity. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then this triangle ABC and triangle GHI are similar. So what does it mean? If first triangle is similar to second one, Second one is similar to third one, then the first and the third triangles are similar. Listen students, learn all 5 solved examples from the textbook, page number 18, 19 and 20. 5 solved problems are there. Go through the solutions, learn carefully, get it understood so that it will help you in understanding the solutions of the problems from the practice set. Here, give more importance to self-study. Students, as we are not in contact, there is no communication. So, importance, you people have to give the importance to your self-study. Okay. Watch the videos carefully, refer the textbook, do well prepare, make your own notes by referring the videos and the textbook, and you have to upgrade yourself. Now we will move to practice set 1.3. Okay, page 21. Here it is the practice set 1.3. See the first problem. In this figure, angle ABC, this angle is 75 degree. Angle EDC, this angle is 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Okay. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. So in the video I have given the solution. This problem is not written, figure is there, but this one you have to read it from the textbook. Now see here. Yes, here it is the figure. Pay attention. In triangle ABC and triangle EDC, the same correspondence. ABC corresponds to EDC. Pay attention. Angle B is congruent to angle D. Reason, each 75 degree. They have given. Then angle C. This is the angle of the big triangle ABC and also of EDC. So angle C is congruent to angle C. Reason, common angle. So these two triangles, big one, triangle ABC and triangle EDC, they are similar by which test? Angle test for similarity. So for the given correspondence, ABC corresponds to EDC, corresponding angles B and D are congruent. C and C are congruent. So by angle test, these two triangles are similar. Hence, triangle ABC and triangle EDC are similar for the correspondence. ABC corresponds to EDC. Now, we will go to question number 2. Textbook you have to refer. Okay, now see here. PQR and LMN are the two triangles given in the figure. What is asked is, are the triangles in the figure similar? Whether these two triangles are similar, that we have to answer. If yes, by which test? Okay. Now see here. Question number 2. Two triangles, triangle PQR and triangle LMN. If you will observe carefully, what you understand here? Double of 3 is 3, 6 is here. Double of 4, 8 is here. Double of 5 is 10, it is here. So if we will take the ratio of corresponding sides, is, so what we will observe? Corresponding sides are in the same proportion. And then by side test, these two triangles will be similar. So see here, From figure, in triangle PQR and triangle LMN, in these two triangles is PQ. PQ corresponding side LM, PQ upon LM, PQ upon LM, 6 upon 3, that is equals to 2. Then QR upon MN, ratio of corresponding sides, QR upon MN, 8 upon 4, that gives us 2. Then PR upon ln, getting PR is 10, ln is 5. So 10 upon 5, that is equals to 2. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we get? PQ upon ln is equals to QR upon mn is equals to PR upon ln, that is equals to 2 from these three results. So triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN is reason for this side test for similarity of triangles. As the corresponding sides are in same proportion, two triangles are similar by side test. Yes, and we will continue with this. So to understand the theorems based on similarity of two triangles is the problems that we have to solve, you must know the tests of similarity. What are those? Is angle test, angle test. Is then third one side test, fourth one side test. So learn carefully these four tests of similarity, and that will help us in solving the problems.